The ability to adapt and the ability to innovate will determine success in an increasingly competitive. Confident that NIT Manipur has equipped you with the knowledge, skills, and your time is limited, so don't waste it by living someone else's life. Have the courage to follow your heart and try to become what you truly want to become. From this moment onwards, view this transition as the beginning of a lifelong journey that will continually challenge, teach, and transform you.